Plant morphology, vegetative morphology. The vegetative morphology, the parts of the flowering plants. The flowering plants parts, this figure is given. Plant axis undergoes underground in soil. This is root system. Arise about from an aerial, it's called shoot system. This is the root system. This is root. This is primary root. This is secondary root. This is shoot system. This is stem. This is bud. This is leaf. This is flower. First we see root system. The root is non-green, cylindrical, descending axis of the plant that usually grows into the soil. Positively geotrophic. It develops from the radicle, which is the first structure that comes out when a seed is placed in the soil. Root is responsible for absorption of water and nutrients and anchoring the plant. Characteristic feature of root system. Root is descending portion of the plant axis, generally non-green in color, has lack chlorophyll, does not possess nodes and internodes and buds, exception in sweet potato and members of Rutaceae. Root bears bud, which helps in vegetative propagation. Root bears root hairs to absorb the water and minerals from the soil. It is positively geotrophic and negatively phototrophic in nature. Regions of root. This is the regions of root figure. This is root cap. This region is region of cell division. This region is called the region of cell elongation. This region is called the region of cell maturation. The region of cell maturation part only grow root hairs. Root tip is covered by a dome-shaped structure made of parenchymatous cell called root cap. It protects the meristematic cells in the apex. In Pantanus, multiple root cap is present. In Pistia, instead of root cap, root pocket is present. A few multimeter above the root cap is following. Three distinct zones have been classified based on their meristematic activity. One is meristematic zone, second one is zone of elongation, third one is zone of maturation. Meristematic zone position. It lies. The meristematic zone are also called region of cell division. Position. Meristematic zone, it lies just above the root cap. Zone of elongation, it lies just above the meristematic zone. Zone maturation, it lies above the zone of elongation. Types of cells. Meristematic zone. Meristematic cells actively divided and continuously increase in number. Zone of elongation, elongated cell. Zone of maturation, it lies above the zone of elongation. Functions. This is the main growing tip of the root. This cell increase the length and cause enlargement of the root. This is the differentiate into various tissue like epidermis, cortex and vascular bundles. It also produces root hairs which absorbs water, minerals from the soil. Next we see shoot system. The blumule of the embryo of a germinating seed is grown into stem. The epicotyle elongates after embryo grows into the axis, the stem that bears leaves from its tip, which contains the actively dividing cells of the shoot, is called apical meristem. Further cell division and growth result in the formation of mass of tissues called a leaf primordium. The point from which the leaf arises is called node. The region between two adjoint nodes is called internodes. Characteristic features of the stem. The stem is a aerial, green, photosynthetic and has nodes and internodes. It has positively phototrophic and negatively geotrophic. It has nodes and internodes. Stem bears vegetative bud for vegetative growth of plant and floral bud for reproduction and end in a terminal bud. The young stem is green and thus carries out photosynthesis. During reproductive growth of stem bear flower and fruits. Branches arise exogenously. Some stem bears multicellular hairs of different kinds. Functions of the stem. Primary functions. It provides support and bears leaves, flowers and fruits. It transports water and minerals, nutrients to other parts from the root. It transports food prepared by leaves to other parts of the plant body. Secondary function. Food storage. Example, Solanum tuberosum, Colocasia and Ginger officinalis. Pollination or reproduction. Example, Gingiber officinalis, Cucumber langa. Water storage. Example, Opuntia. Buoyancy. Example, Neptunia. Photosynthesis. Example, Opuntia, Ruscus, Euphorbia. Protection. Example, Citrus, Bougainvillea, Acacia. Support. Example, Passiflora, Vitis, Cissus quadrangularis. This is the primary functions and secondary functions of shoot system.